Hello, good day. I'm Shane Buenavista from Philippines and I'm 39 years old. I have three sons, 19 years old, 15 years old, and 12 years old. My working experience is in Saudi Arabia, 4 years Finnish contract. I serve 4 adults, 1 elderly, and 4 kids. My task is uh, washing, uh, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, ironing the clothes, cleaning the house, cleaning the garage, washing the car, and cook from them, serve from them, and bake from them, and taking care of the elder and the kids. I work in Al Kubar in 1 year exit visa, and I serve 4 people, 2 adults and 2 kids. The kids is 2 years old and 5 years old. I know how to change the diaper. I know how to cook for food for the kids. I know how to play from them. I know to taking care of them. And I work in Hong Kong, and my task is to cleaning the house and all around task. And I start in 5 a.m. and I sleep in 12 p.m. at 12 midnight. And sometimes they wake up me and 2, 3 a.m. and even my day off I need to wake up in 5 a.m. before I go and sleep to 12 p.m. 12 midnight. And my employer said they not happy in my work and I'm not suitable to them and always angry to me. So suddenly I need to break the contract. They not give me a good food, so suddenly. And I hope I see the new employer and treat me like a family because I even no one said I did all my best to do the task and to serve from them. I hope there's a employer to pick me. Thank you and have a nice day. God bless.